Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm doing a tech review on a night vision system you can add to any car. So the system that I'm reviewing is from a company called LANMODO. I saw this online. They're the company that makes that power tent that goes out and covers the car in case of rain or hail or snow or just keeping it shaded. That big power one. It's kind of cool. They make a lot of neat products, and one of them I saw was this 1080p HD night vision camera that looked really cool. It mounts on your dash or on your windshield. It's plug and play. And the reason why I was interested in it is since moving here to Texas, I've learned how dark it can be once you get outside the city. In fact, when I first moved here, my front windshield was tinted, my side windows were much darker, and I had to have it changed because it was so dangerous driving at night because the windshield was so dark, and there's just no ambient light. Now, living in Southern California when I was there, there's so much light pollution that the tint didn't bother me at all, but here it was a big problem. So when I saw this night vision system, I thought this would be really cool. Now the system is basically, like I said, plug and play. There's two power options. You can plug it into your cigarette lighter, or you can plug it into your OBD2 port down the footwell or underneath the dash, depending on where yours is, if you don't want to have it running down the center console to wherever your cigarette lighter is. I'm going to use a cigarette lighter in my car for now. The other thing I like about it is that it doesn't require any mounting screws or mounting to the dash or any physical alterations of the car. You can take this from car to car, from your pickup truck to your sports car to your RV. It's a really cool thing because it's portable and you can use it on anything. Now, it's about an 8.5-inch screen. It's an HD screen. It uses a nice camera, which is adjustable on the back. You can kind of point it around to kind of get it dialed in as far as the direction you need to go when you mount it on your windshield. And this retails for just under $500. It's $499. So it is a fairly expensive unit, but for what it does, it's pretty cool. It's actually the least expensive one on the market that has all the features that this one has from my research. Now, I'm going to link this down below. You can buy this on Amazon. It is not an affiliate link. I'm not being paid for the sale of these. This is my honest opinion and view on this thing. I thought it was a really cool piece of tech that we could do that was car related that you guys would like to see, because I was interested in it. I was curious. I mean, modern day BMWs have great night vision systems you can get, but this one actually is spec'd out to be better than the factory night vision on a BMW. Now, my older BMW here does not have night vision, so this is a nice alternative to add it. I'm going to get it mounted to the windshield and get it plugged in, and then we're going to wait for it to get just a little bit darker here, and we'll see how it works at night. Alright, so as you can see, just my running lights are on. It is pretty much as dark as it gets out here. You can still see a little bit of sky up through the trees, but on the screen you can see all the forest. You can see way down the road. It's pretty impressive considering how dark it is out there. Now, if I turn the headlights on to just the regular setting, you can see a little ways in front, but with the amplified light on the screen you can see quite a bit further. So, I mean, look how much more vibrant the color and everything is, and how much more vibrant everything is. If I turn this on, yeah, I can see a little further down the road, but look how crisp and clear the image is looking down. And again, with no light, you can still actually see all the way down the road, even though it is pitch black down there. So cool. Hey everybody, it's the next morning and I wanted to give you a quick little rundown on my initial thoughts on the night vision camera system and whether or not it's something that you should purchase for your own car. Now, when it first arrived, I was really impressed with the quality of the packaging and the box, And as I unboxed it, I was further impressed with how well everything was put together. The quality is really there. And then once you plug it in, you really see the quality and how good the screen is and the camera. So overall quality gets top marks. It's a very nice product. It works well. And the thing that really impressed me in using it was how simple it was. Many times when you're buying these new technology things for your car to add a updated system to your car, or you're getting a new electronic toy of any kind, the company wants you to download an app and then plug it into your computer and update the firmware. There's none of that with this system. It literally just plugs in. You stick it on the dash or stick it to the window, you turn it on, and that's it. Now, as far as something you should buy, it really depends on your driving needs and if it's something that will benefit you. Now, if you have night vision issues and it would help you with the visibility, it's a great tool for that. If you're someone like me who just lives where it's really dark and it's just a kind of a fun added thing to check out, I think it works really well for that too. Something else that I think it'd be really good for is if you're doing a lot of jeeping and off-roading and things like that, of having that extra visibility as dusk comes on, as it gets dark on the trail. It would just make everything much safer. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these, I have put a link in the description down below. It is not an affiliate link. I don't make any money off the sale of these units, so feel free to go and buy one. And if you do, just let me know in the comments down below that you've bought one and how you like it. If you already own one and you have some feedback, please post that in the comments down below as well. And anyone with further questions, I'm always responsive to questions. I try to get to them as soon as possible, so leave those in the comments as well. I'm going to wrap this video with a unboxing of the unit when it first arrives so you guys can see what comes in the packaging. And again, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.